Hi everyone. Now see the second experiment of our practical is the Thevenin's theorem. To first we see the aim of the Thevenin's theorem is to verify the Thevenin's theorem. Okay. In this experiment, you have done or verify the this given Thevenin's theorem. Okay. Used apparatus or requirements of the different electronic components of our experiment is the resistors, different values of the resistors, power supply, then current meter and voltmeter, measure the current as well as the volt by using the current meter and voltmeter. Okay, then statement of our experiment is the what is the Thevenin's theorem or Thevenin's theorem statement is any two-port linear network consisting of energy source. Okay, any two-port of linear network consisting of energy sources that means the voltage or current. Okay, voltage or current, and resistances can be replaced with the Thevenin's voltage source. Okay, resistances can be replaced with the Thevenin's voltage source, that means the VTH is the Thevenin's voltage in series with Thevenin's resistance. Thevenin's resistance is the RTh. Okay, where in that the VTH is the Thevenin's voltage for the open circuit voltage. That means the circuit is the open, then calculate the output voltage. This voltage is the measure the different this voltage is the Thevenin's voltage, and RTh is the Thevenin's resistance measured at output port when all energy sources are replaced with their internal resistances, that means the impedances. Okay, this is the RTh, Thevenin's resistance. Okay, then see the circuit diagram of our experiment. Here see the two different networks of given experiment. First is the given network and second is the equivalent Thevenin's network. Okay, here see the first given network in that 680 ohm टू थ्री रेजिस्टर्स. ओके, इन दॅट द 680 ओहमचे 3 रेजिस्टर ह्याच्यामध्ये यूज केलेत बघा. इन दॅट द 2 रेजिस्टर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन अ सेरीज and 1 resistor is connected in a parallel of the 2 resistors. Okay, see the diagram. Then in that the R1, R2 and R3 2 resistors are connected in a series, and R2 resistor is connected in a parallel with the R1 and R3 resistor. Okay, then REL here connected different load resistors. Okay, or different load. Here see the A to B point. Okay, and current is flowing through this load resistor is the IL. Okay, and this circuit is connected power supply in a plus 5 volt. Here see the plus 5 volt supply. Then second is the equivalent Thevenin's network. Okay, in the here equivalent Thevenin's voltage, here RTh is the Thevenin's resistor, then connected different loads in REL and A to B. Here observe the voltage across the load resistor, that means the A to B, and here apply the Thevenin's voltage of equivalent Thevenin's network. सेकंड नेटवर्कला आपण काय करणार आहे, जे फर्स्ट कनेक्शन असेल गिव्हन नेटवर्क याच्या ए टू बी दॅट मीन्स द ह्याच्यामध्ये लोड रेजिस्टर आपण कुठलाही न देता सर्किट ओपन ठेवून जो ए टू बी व्होल्टेज मेजर करणार आहे ते व्होल्टेज कोणतं असणार आहे, थेव्हनिन्स व्होल्टेज. दिस थेव्हनिन्स व्होल्टेज इज अप्लाइड ना सेकंड इक्विव्हॅलंट थेव्हनिन्स नेटवर्क. सेकंड जे कनेक्शन असेल त्याच्यामध्ये VTH आपण काय करणार, थेव्हनिन्स व्होल्टेज हे अप्लाय करणार बाय युजिंग दी पॉवर सप्लाय. ओके, देन ऑब्झर्व द अप्लाय दी डिफरंट लोड्स इन अ गिव्हन नेटवर्क अँड इक्विव्हॅलंट थेव्हनिन्स नेटवर्क. अप्लाय द डिफरंट लोड्स and measure the voltage across the different load resistor. Okay, then here see the observations. Okay, in that first observation is the voltage across output terminal A B when load resistance is removed, that means the open circuit, that is the RL. Load resistor removed, that means the open circuit, that means the load is the infinity, RL is equal to infinity, hence the VTH is equal to डॅश डॅश व्होल्ट. त्यावेळी म्हणजे आउटपुटला आपण कुठलाही लोड न देता ओपन सर्किट ठेवून जो येणारं व्होल्टेज असेल ते कोणतं व्होल्टेज असणार आहे तर थेव्हनिन्स व्होल्टेज असणार आहे. ओके. सेकंड इक्विव्हॅलंट रेझिस्टन्स RTH, equivalent resistance RTH when the load resistance is removed and short circuit voltage source, then RTH is equal to ओहम. ओके. जेव्हा आपण काय करणार लोड रेजिस्टन्स काय करणार आहे रिमूव्ह करणार आहे आणि सर्किट हे काय करणार आहे शॉर्ट करणार आहे, त्यावेळी मेजर केलेला रेजिस्टन्स असेल तो थ्रीशोल्ड रेजिस्टन्स असणार आहे. ओके. देन सेकंड इन दिस गिवन एक्सपेरिमेंट सेकंड द प्रोसिजर. ओके. हा एक्सपेरिमेंट कसा करायचा तर फर्स्टली प्रोसिजर फर्स्ट इज द कनेक्ट द सर्किट ॲज शोन इन फिगर. ओके. जी सर्किट डायग्राम असेल त्याप्रमाणे काय करणार आहे आपण कनेक्शन करणार आहे. देन मेजर द व्होल्टेज अक्रॉस A to B बाय रिमूव्हिंग लोड रेजिस्टन्स इज RL. ओके. RL दॅट मीन्स द लोड रेजिस्टन्स रिमूव्ह केल्यानंतर A to B टर्मिनलचं व्होल्टेज आपण मेजर करणार आहे. इट इज द VTH दॅट मीन्स द थ्रीशोल्ड व्होल्टेज. Then second procedure is the measure the Thevenin's equivalent resistance RTH across the terminal A to B with the help of multimeter by short circuiting voltage source and removing load रेजिस्टन्सेस. त्यावेळी काय करणार आहे लोड रेजिस्टन्स रिमूव्ह करणार आहे आणि कनेक्शन हे काय करणार आहे शॉर्ट सर्किट करणार आहे. ओके. देन सेकंड प्रोसिजर इज रिपीट द मेजरमेंट्स फॉर टू लोड रेजिस्टन्सेस. ओके. हिअर यूज द two different values of the resistors. Okay. Here apply the two different loads 680 ohm and 1 kilo ohm resistors and measure the output voltage point A to B. Then connect the equivalent circuit as shown in the figure. Second, and measure the voltage across the terminal A to B by connecting load resistances of 680 ohm and 1 kilo ohm. Then compare the both of the voltages. Measure the load resistor across the measure the load resistors. Measure the voltages and compare the both voltages. Then second observation table for the first network, that means the given network. In this observation table observe the two different readings that in that the load resistance RL in connected 680 ohm. In that way the observe the voltage across the terminal A to B, that is the A to B voltage in a volt and load current of IL is equal to VAB divided by RL in milliampere. Okay. Here observe the voltage A to B. This voltage is here gives to this load current IL and VAB upon the RL in a milliameter. Then second load resistance connected 1 kilo ohm. Then observe the voltage across the terminal A to B and then calculate the load current. Okay. In this way, same way the second observation table, here use the equivalent network second diagram. Here again observe the two different readings, two different voltages. Load resistance connected 680 ohm. In that way the observe the voltage across the terminal A to B, that is the VAB voltage, and calculate the load current IL is equal to VAB upon RL in a milliameter. Okay. Then second load resistor connected 1 kilo ohm and observe the voltage across this load at point A to B, that is the VAB voltage in volt, and calculate the load current. Okay. In this way the observe the two different networks in a given network and equivalent network. Then see the last, we see the here result from the observation table. It is found that the current flowing through load resistance for the given network is same as that of the load current of the Thevenin's equivalent network. Hence the given network can be replaced with Thevenin's equivalent network. Okay. That means the both networks, given network and equivalent networks, flowing current, load current is the same. Okay. In this way these second experiments are done in our laboratory. Okay.